Welcome to my Sunday From. Today is a haul, and here I am shopping, getting all the deals and sales that I could find that I really want or I need. And so here I'm just looking around. I wanted some cheese, but I didn't quite know what to get, and I had found some crema, and the crema was $1.89, but it wasn't what I wanted. So I ended up getting these things. So the total was $10.18. So I ended up buying the cake. The cake is $2.70. It's a game cake. I ended up buying the cube steak for $4.46, and these bolillos for $1.03, and 16 count singles of American sliced cheese for $1.89. And like I said, everything was under $5, and it turned out to $10. So hopefully I can make it last, right? And I feel like I did something. I got dessert, I got dinner for 2 days, got some sandwiches, some sandwich bread, and yeah, I think it's pretty good. So earlier I went to McDonald's and I got one of those, it was called a 2 for $3 mix and match. And I got a sausage biscuit and hash brown. So this is like a treat. When you make a good buy, you want to treat yourself afterwards with something. I love this snack. But those cube steaks, I got them for $5, almost $5. It was $4.50, right? And there was 2, and so you can make like chicken steak fingers, or chicken fried steak, or what have you. You can make wiener schnitzel, and so those are 3 ideas that I would like to use them for. And the bolillos, the bread, and those are like sandwich breads, so you can eat them like for breakfast or lunch or dinner. You can pour sauce on them and fill them with chicharron, any kind of meat, and some refried beans, avocado, just ham and cheese, egg, egg and bean, bacon and anything. Right? You can use them for hot dogs or hoagies, meatballs. You can use them for anything, Philly cheesesteak, whatever you want to fill them with, and hamburgers. And so that sheet cake, it should last me like 3 days. I'm not even playing. That sheet cake, I can sit there and eat it. It's a marble sheet cake, and I love that icing, the store icing. Did y'all grow up on that store icing? But yeah, my favorite buy was this cheese. And let me tell you, nothing is better than American sliced cheese. When like you have like a craving, this is the cheapest way to get that craving. I'm not even playing. It has this like kind of tang. And but yeah, that's just, you know, different ways that you can use up these groceries. Like, and you know, cheese, you can use it, cheese with anything. Like, you can put it on meat, you can put it on, you know, sandwiches, you can use cheese on pasta. I mean, this cheese, you can use it in so many ways because it's just like, it melts, it crumbles, it slices, it's pre-sliced and you know, measured. So there's no way you can go wrong with that buy, and it's $2. So yeah, I stand by my, you know, financial burden, and I like my buy. So I hope you like my haul today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys again soon on my Son Different. Bye bye.